Have you ever felt that gut-wrenching ache of being left out or the sting of a breakup? It's not just in your head. Social rejection can feel as real as physical pain. Your heart aches, your chest feels heavy, and your stomach churns. These aren't just figures of speech, they're real physical sensations. Our bodies react to emotional injuries just like physical ones: tension, fatigue, even headaches. Think back to a time you were excluded or ignored. That jolt, that cold wave, it's your body's alarm system. The pain of being unwanted is universal, shaping our actions from childhood to adulthood. It motivates us to seek connection, to repair relationships, to belong. But why does it hurt so much? Why does a harsh word or a cold shoulder feel like a punch? The answer isn't just emotional, it's biological. Science now shows that heartbreak is more than a metaphor. It's a real neurological event. Our need for connection is woven into our very being. And when it's threatened, our bodies and brains sound the alarm. What happens in your brain when you're rejected? Neuroscientists have answers. Using fMRI scans, researchers found that social pain activates the same brain regions as physical pain. The dorsal anterior cingulate cortex and anterior insula, parts of the brain's pain matrix, light up whether you're burned or heartbroken. That's why we say hurt feelings or crushing blow. Our brains process both types of pain similarly. This overlap is a primal alarm system warning us of threats, whether physical or social. Fascinatingly, studies show that even a common painkiller like acetaminophen can dull the ache of social rejection. But the real takeaway: our brains don't always distinguish between a scraped knee and a broken heart. Social pain is real, and it's wired deep within us. Understanding this helps us see why rejection feels so intense. It's not weakness, it's biology. And it's a signal that something important needs attention. Why did our brains evolve to treat social pain like physical pain? For our ancestors, being part of a group meant survival, protection, food, and safety. Rejection could be life-threatening, so our brains developed pain as a warning to stay connected. Social pain motivated us to repair bonds and avoid isolation. Even today, exclusion or unfriending can trigger that ancient alarm. Our brains haven't forgotten the old rules, even if the threats have changed. This sensitivity is a survival feature, not a flaw. So when you feel hurt by rejection, remember, it's an echo of our evolutionary past. It's not weakness, it's a sign of how vital connection is to us. We're wired to belong. The pain reminds us of what matters most. Connection is at the core of being human. Knowing the science of rejection is empowering, but how do we heal? First, reach out. Genuine connection with friends or family soothes the pain and